Hi, hello everyone. It's me, David, aka The Blue, and today we're going to be talking about chain rule, derivatives, and AP calculus. Say we have our original function right here, f of g of x, right? In this case, just to paint the picture easily, we're going to say that f of x is equal to x, and g of x is equal to x. I should probably switch these two around to make it look better, but anyways. Say we want to take the derivative of this. In order to get the derivative, we have to first take the derivative of the outside, keep the inside the same, and then multiply by the derivative of the inside. So, in a little case here, let's put this picture right here. Let's say we have 1 times x to the power 1. I know this looks a bit weird because it's just x, right? But we take the derivative of the outside. In this case, is this going to be 1 x of 0, and then we want to take the derivative of the inside times 1, right? At the end, this is just going to be equal to 1 times 1 times 1, which is just going to be 1. I don't really know that helped paint a picture, but that's just like the little thing I had right here. Anyways, it's really simple. I have some examples here. You guys can pause the video and try to solve these by yourself. But for this one right here, if we want to take the derivative of this, we're gonna have to take the derivative of the outside. So 3, let's assume that the inside is just x for now. It's gonna be like 3x squared. Take the derivative, that's gonna be 6. But we keep the inside the same, 4x. And then that just turns into 1 up there. So you don't really have to put that 1 up there. You can if you want to. Then we take the derivative of the inside times 4. You don't have to simplify for this. If you want to, you can. It's going to be 24 4x. And there you go. That's your answer for this one. Moving on. You have this equation right here. This one's a bit longer. It might scare some people. But all you got to do is just... give you some time to do it by yourself. Anyways. All you got to do now is just do 3 to... keep the inside the same, and then squared right there because that 3 goes down. You know, remember power rule, that still applies here. It's just that now we're also going to take the multiply by the derivative of the inside, so times negative 15 x squared. That's your answer. You don't gotta simplify. There you go. Don't know what I did there. What in the world? Okay. Anyways, over here we got e to the power 2x cubed. This one might look a little bit scary, which might be e is gonna stay the same, so it's gonna be e 2x cubed times 6x squared. Because if you remember, e to the x stays e to the x. Anyways, okay, for this one we can rewrite this as sine of cos of 4x all squared. So we're going to do this 2 times sine of cos of 4x, keep the inside the same. Now take the derivative of the inside. I should probably write this a whole lot smaller so that this actually all fits on this little piece of paper I gave myself here. So 2 sine of cos of x, sorry, not x, 4x, cos of 4x times cos of cos 4x times negative sine 4x times 4. And that's your answer. You don't gotta simplify. I really hope you don't simplify this. You might make a mistake then and there. But anyways, this is how you solve chain rule. I hope this helped out. It's a really simple method. Sometimes it might get a bit confusing later on with more added elements, but you got this. I believe in you. Thanks for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time.